Hi, and welcome to the Wholeness Shift. My name is Veronica, and if this is your first time here, welcome. I'm glad you found me. And if you're already part of the family, welcome back. You know I love you. So today we're going to be talking about whether or not you need protection when using your pendulum. Somebody submitted this question a while ago, and I've had it on my list of topics to cover. So I thought I would get to that today. Do you need protection when you're using your pendulum? This is an easy answer, but there's also a caveat to it. So the easy answer is yes, you do need protection when using your pendulum. There are a lot of dark forces out there, a lot of dark entities out there. So you want to set that intention that you want protected. Yes. So the second part of this answer is yes, you need to ask for permission before using your pendulum if you believe you need to. I know that sounds like opposites, so let me explain. Some people, as they go down this path and they have a relationship with their guides, they have a relationship with the divine, with the universe, they're feeling comfortable and confident. They've made their intentions for what they want clear and how they want them to be accomplished clear. And when they pick up that pendulum, they don't even think about asking for protection because they just know that they are. They have no doubt about it. There are other people that pick up their pendulum, and even if they've been on this journey and have a relationship, they still go, do I need to ask for protection? What if there's something that's going to hurt me? I don't want anything following me home. I don't want any harm to come. There's a belief there that I'm not safe. I better ask for help. Externally, guides, angels, Jesus, whoever, protect me. Keep me safe because there's darkness and I don't want it bothering me. So the simple answer is yes, if you believe you need to ask for help with protection, then yes, you need to ask for help with protection. If any part of you has any doubt, because if not, you're just manifesting. If you're like, if I don't ask for help, I might be in trouble. Like I might attract something dark or something might stick around. I'm vulnerable, basically. Then you're going to manifest that somehow. You got to be careful. So you need to set your intention that you would like some help, that you don't want these things to happen. Because if you believe you need it, then you need it. If you never even thought about needing it because you assume and just know that you're protected, like the universe knows your intention to be safe and protected and that you believe you are, then you are. As with everything, it all comes back to intention. I hope this helped. Let me know your thoughts and comments. And if you haven't yet, hit the like and subscribe button, please, because it helps me so much. And I wouldn't want you to miss out on anything good. What other pendulum questions do you have? We haven't talked about this for a while. And I got a request for more pendulum content. So, I think I've pretty much covered all of it, but it's been a while. So let's refresh. What pendulum questions do you have? All right, you guys, until next time.